Are we recording? Hello? Oh, we're recording. We're recording. This is my new mic. It's new. It's Sunday, September 1st. It's like 3:15 p.m. And the hurricane is on its way. It is going through the Bahamas right now as we speak. What? Look at the back of my hair. Look at it. I ruined it. It's ruined. Run! And you want to know how friggin' broke I am? I'll tell you how friggin' broke I am. My $21 BoxyCharm for was declined. Do you know what that means, ladies and gentlemen? That means you. And you, 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 and you do not get a BoxyCharm video for September! It's not gonna happen. It's not. Oh! It might happen at like the end of September, just like how I got the July box late, and yeah. I need to go take a shower now because I gotta film today. Because if I don't film today, and the hurricane comes Monday, which is tomorrow, if that happens, then there won't be no water possibly. And if there's no water to bathe with because of the hurricane, how the f*** am I going to take a shower? How am I going to wipe my face? How am I going to get out my pores? How? Okay guys, well, I'm going to go take a shower now. I have a surprise for you. BRB. Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm still here. It's still Sunday. The hurricane's still not here. I don't like doing videos with people in the house, and there's people in the house, and it's weird.
Man, I don't like you being here. Can you hear me? May?
Today, this week. Over the course of the last week, I have received my Morphe X Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge Trio. I already took them out of the box. I received my Morphe X Jeffree Star Starberry. Smells like strawberry daiquiri. These are the sponges. I have little homes for them. There's two little ones. As you can see, I've used it a little bit for some setting powder and some concealer. I'm obsessed. This is the big one. We have the brush set of the new Jeffree Star X Morphe Collection Part 2. I haven't ordered the palette yet. The palette is actually cheaper than the brush set. I really wanted to order the brush set because I need more brushes. My brushes are getting old and frayed because they're cheap. They're like $13 for the brush set. I don't spend a lot of money, guys. I really don't spend a lot of money on this stuff. Woo!
10 stunning superstars. Here's the tea. You're gonna make them stop and stare with this eyebrush collection from the legendary Jeffree Star. Everyone will be watching you in your perfectly blended eyes. Get to it. This collection includes the JS5 Crease Queen Brush, the JS6 Rule Blender Brush, the JS7 Double Trouble Brush, the JS8 Drama Crease Brush, the JS9 the Fluffer Crease Brush, the JS10 Diva Crease Brush, the JS11 Blunt Packer Brush, the JS12 Sport Mode Blender Brush, the JS13 from Palm Crease Brush, the JS Happy Ending Liner Brush in the Superstar bag.
This is it. This is the brush set. Scooby, where you come from? Where you come from, Scooby? I sanitized my face. We are going to moisturize using Neutrogena Hydro Boost and then the Olay. I love this stuff so much. let's all take a moment of silence while our Hydro Boost sets in, and let's pray for those in need after Hurricane Dorian of 2019. All right, amen. Let's put on some Olay. Oh. Watch this. Okay, watch this. Okay, clean right here, right? Put my finger on it. Told you. Taking our Morphe X Jeffree Star Beauty Sponge. We are going to use a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're also going to mix it with Born This Way by Too Faced. So let's mix those together. Oh, that's close to the same shade actually, like right on the same shade. Huh. We are going to use the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape. I haven't been using cream contour much because I realized something. And I don't know why it took me till just now to realize. When I have on my fake tan and my bronzy skin that I've been laying out in the sun, which is very bad for you, by the way. Do not lay out in the sun. But when I have all of this stuff on, you can't see my cream contour at all. I forgot to tell you guys the surprise. I have a bee on my arm and it's healing. It'll be there forever. While the bake is baking, before we put on our bronzer and all that, we are going to start our eyes and go ahead and get them going. Now, what other palette would I use besides the Jawbreaker palette today with Jeffree Star's new brushes? We're going to dip into Bubblegum, which is the pink shade. We're also going to use Raspberry with the same brush. Ooh, pretty. Today we are cutting our crease with our JS10 Diva Crease Brush. What the fuck? I guess it's symmetrical. That counts for something, right? All right, guys, let's get rid of this bake. Let's take our JS13 Palm Crease Brush and use it underneath our eye. We are going to dip into Raspberry. Using our e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, we're going to make some lines on our eyes, and we're gonna call it eyeliner. To me, it's easier to put on eyeliner when you have on the right kind of eyeshadow, because watch. You just trace the line. And it's magically lined up. Let's use silver glitter. No. Let's use some pink glitter. I don't know, let's put on some mascara. Today we are going to use our Tarte Big Ego. Let's bronze real quick. Take our butter bronzer and warm up those cheeks. So let's take the bright pink. Pretty. Oh shit. For highlighter, I want to use my Wet n Wild loose highlighter. Taking our BH Cosmetics highlighter brush and some Morphe setting spray. Oh shit. For lips, we are going to use our Rose lip liner. You know what? This ain't it, sis. Let's go a bit darker and use, actually, let's use our red. Yes, honey. Let's use our Ofra Pink Liquid Lip. Smells so good. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It wasn't that exciting, but it was exciting enough. We're bunkered down waiting on the hurricane. It's not gonna be that bad for us, I don't think, but the Bahamas are getting hit pretty bad. So pray for the Bahamas. I was a little worried about the eye look, but it came along. Oh, my nose itches. Oh, my nose itches. Oh, shit. All right, well, have a good night, and we'll see you next week. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment if you like. Good night, and see you later.
Hello, your call cannot be taken at the moment, so please leave your message after the tone.